one of the security officers in the shoulder. This incident occurred in a busy hospital emergency room. There was a strong weight of the evidence as the incident was captured on video. We believe that he's a significant danger to the community, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Can you do me a favor? I changed something. Reprint it. Thank you. I apologize to the officer and the young lady next to me. Sir, your next well, first off, sir, I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing date is on the 10th, downtown Phoenix. I do agree with the state, $250,000 cash, pretrial services is appropriate. Sir, we wish you the best of luck on the 10th. Hearing is now concluded. Mr. White, would you come on up, Mr. White? And who's your next one after Mr. White?
Your Honor, the next one is number 17, but I believe it's marked as a house call.
Okay. Okay, well, we'll give it to the officer who do this. Officer, I changed one thing on that last one with that gentleman, and she just gave it to you. I apologize. Mr. White, come on up, Mr. White. What I'll do then is jump to the bottom, Ms. Gaunt. You make your recommendation, and then I'll take it under advisement, so to speak.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Tell me your full name, Mr. White.
Julian Roshan White.
Mr. White, this is an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument, Class 3 felony. 3 counts of endangerment, Class 6 felony. 1 count of discharging a weapon within city limits, a Class 6 felony. Ms. Gaunt, recommendation?
Thank you, Your Honor. The state's asking for a $250,000 cash-only bond. If Mr. White is able to post that, we'd ask for electronic monitoring. This recommendation is based on the serious nature of the charges. Mr. White allegedly shot a neighbor in the thigh in what the state believes was an unprovoked attack. We believe that Mr. White is a danger to the community.
Thank you very much. At this point in time, the court respectfully disagrees with Ms. Gaunt. The court's going to order a $75,000 bond, cash only. Sir, your next hearing date is on the 10th, downtown Phoenix. And again, on the 12th, downtown Phoenix, I have appointed you an attorney. Best of luck, sir. And which one is...
Number 17, Mr. Colby.
Number 17, Mr. Colby has actually 2 cases, 17 and 26. What is your recommendation for number 17?
Thank you, Your Honor. The state's asking for a $50,000 cash-only bond. Our understanding is that Mr. Colby is transient. He is also currently on probation. These are very serious charges, especially given the particular nature of the charges. If he's able to post that, we'd ask for electronic monitoring as is required by statute. Additionally, the state would make a motion to seal the Form 4 because it contains the personally identifiable information regarding the victim.
Thank you. His mind, well, let's do this. Court will seal the Form 4 as requested by counsel, and the rest I'll take under advisement at this point in time because this is a house call for behavioral issues. Is there anything more, counsel?
No, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Absolutely, counsel, and thank you very much for your appearance here today's day. Therefore, I've changed number 17. You'll have to. All right. We're at Mr. Gutierrez. Is that correct? Mr. Gutierrez? Mr. Gutierrez.
Yes.
Come on up, Mr. Gutierrez. And Amanda's after, Pinkerton is after Mr. Gutierrez. Tell me your full name, Mr. Gutierrez.
Marlene James Gutierrez.
Sir, this is aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony, disorderly conduct, and simple assault. Both of those are misdemeanors. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 10th of March, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $15,000. Good luck, sir.
I do have a question. I
may not have an answer, but go right ahead.
You said I can't go back to the scene of the crime.
That's correct.
Where would I be able to go then? Because I don't have any other place.
Well, sir, you can't go back there until I or the next judge is comfortable with you being back around those people at that location, anywhere in Maricopa County.
Okay. And then would the address of those their court hearings be on this paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank
Everything,
you.
sir. Thank you. Amanda, Miss Pinkerton, come on up. And Stefan Gashish? Not sure how to pronounce it, Stefan, or Stephen. Amanda, tell me your full name.
Amanda Lee Pinkerton.
Miss Pinkerton, this is ag assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument, a Class 3 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, miss. 2 hearings coming up, the 10th and the 12th, both them downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $10,000. Best of luck, miss.
Thank you.
Stefan, whichever the case may be. And Joe Tosi is after this gentleman. Which do you prefer, Stephen or Stefan?
Stephen.
Tell me your full name, sir.
Stephen Ongushi.
Sir, you have 4 different matters before the court. They're all very similar. Probation violations. The first one, I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 10th. Bond is $50. The next one, sir, is another probation violation. Same attorney, same hearing date and same location, the 10th in downtown Phoenix. Bond is $1,000. And the next one is another probation violation. Same attorney, same hearing date, same location, downtown Phoenix on the 10th. Bond is $1,000. And the last one's just like the first, a probation violation. Same attorney, same hearing date, same location, same bond amount as the first, another $50. I'm asking you, ordering you to contact your probation officer. They may have some ideas on how to put all these together and get it all over with at the same time. Good luck, sir. And you're going to have an attorney also. Joe. Come on up, Joe. And Lisa Zapata. Mr. Tosi, come on up. Thank you, Mr. Tosi. Tell me your full name, sir.
Joe Sosi.
I mispronounced it. I apologize, sir. This is a probation violation warrant for your arrest. You basically self-surrendered.
I did. I wanted to take care of it.
Thank you. I appreciate you doing that. Your next hearing is on the 10th, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $2,000 set by another judge. Please reach out to your probation officer. They may have some great ideas on how to get this all solved on the 10th. Good luck.
Thank you.
Lisa Zapata. And Alberto is after Lisa.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lisa. Tell me your full name, please.
This is Lisa Maria Zapata.
Ms. Zapata, this is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an attorney. Your probation revocation hearing is going to be on the 10th at downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $50. The next one, miss, is another probation violation. Same attorney, same hearing date, the 10th, same location, downtown Phoenix. Bond was set by the probation judge at $1,500. Please reach out to your probation officer. They may have some good ideas that might help you.
Yes, Your Honor. See, I was going, the last time I was here, I was approved for the rapid rehousing program.
Good.
So when I got out, I got sick. I did report to my probation officer. It was 3 days, but by that time she had already violated. I have all that proof. I had that proof in my backpack.
Good.
I had a letter written to the judge. I was coming in tomorrow with my sister, but I didn't make it that far. So I do have a new apartment. I am in the program. I do have letters from my case manager.
Take all that to your next hearing. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Alberto? Hablado? Come on up. And Mr. Vincent Acosta is after this gentleman. Tell me your full name, sir.
My name is Alberto Tablado Jr.
Sir, this is 1 count of dangerous drugs, Class 4 felony, 2 counts of taking contraband or prohibited matters into the prohibited articles into a jail facility. Those are Class 5 felonies. 1 count of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. 2 counts of deadly weapon, failure to admit. Those are misdemeanors. 1 count driving on a suspended, revoked, or canceled license, a misdemeanor. Reckless driving, a misdemeanor. 2 counts of carrying a weapon by a person under the age of 21. Sir, I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing date is on the 18th, downtown Phoenix. I'm releasing you to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Show up and take care of these, sir. Good luck.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
Mr. Acosta? Come on up. And Ralph Reyes is after Mr. Acosta. Mr. Acosta, tell me your full name, please.
Vincent James Acosta.
Sir, this is one count of dangerous drugs for sale, narcotic drugs for sale, 2 different counts. Hold on.
All right.
2 different Class 2 felonies, dangerous drugs and narcotic drugs possession, Class 4 felony, and drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 18th, downtown Phoenix. You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Ralph, come on up, Ralph. And then Christy Johnson is after Mr. Reyes. Ralph? That's okay, we'll do. Miss Johnson, Christy? Come on up. We'll just skip Mr. Reyes. There's no picture on my screen. So, Miss, tell me your full name.
Christy Johnson.
Miss Johnson, this is aggravated driving under the influence, a Class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, Miss. Your next hearing is on the 18th, downtown Phoenix. I'm releasing you to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. With a DUI-related charge, there's also an administrative through motor vehicles regarding license suspension. Make sure your license is intact if you are going to drive, or you get in more trouble. Good luck, Miss.
I had issues with that last time because I already did an interlock, and when I was ordered to get that taken off, and then MVD wouldn't let me get my license back because they said I had to do 18 more months of it.
Well, Miss, the court is one thing. Motor vehicles is something different. Motor vehicles has their own rules once the court's not involved. That's all I can really explain to you at this point in time. It's a privilege to have a motor vehicle license. It's not a right.
Yeah.
So that's why the court is not involved at that aspect. Good luck, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Belon, come on up. And Cooper Brewer, or Bessie Brewer, is after Miss Belon. Tell me your full name, please.
Angelica Belon, 12/11/1986.
Thank you, Miss, for the additional information. I appreciate that. Miss, this is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an attorney. Bless you. Your next probation violation hearing is on the 10th of March, downtown Phoenix. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, just sneezing. As long as you're still sneezing.
Thank you.
All right. Miss, I'm releasing you on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. The moment you step outside this building, at about 2 o'clock this afternoon, I need you to call your probation officer.
Okay.
Follow their rules, follow my rules. You're given the next judge you meet on the 10th. 2 very good reasons to not put you in prison on the 10th. Mm-hmm. Good luck.
Okay, thank you very much, Judge.
No problem. Mr. Campbell? Nicholas? Mr. Nicholas Campbell? Oh, I apologize. I skipped Mr. Cooper. I'll come back to Mr. Cooper. Thank you for catching that. Mr. Campbell, tell me your full name.
My name is Nicholas Xavier Campbell, sir.
Mr. Campbell, you have 3 different matters. The first one's about possession. Possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, it's a Class 4 felony, and also dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 13th. You're being released on your own recognizance. The information I see also says you have a case manager. Please contact your case manager. The next one, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No, we're not done yet.
Okay.
This next one is another dangerous drug warrant for your arrest, a Class 4 felony. Same attorney, same hearing date, 13th, same location, downtown Phoenix, same release conditions, your own recognizance, and contact your case manager. The last one, sir, is another narcotic drug. Same attorney, same location, same date, 13th, same release, on your own recognizance, and contact your case manager. Now you're done.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good luck. Thank you. Mr. Cooper, come on up, Mr. Cooper. I apologize, Mr. Cooper. Is it Bessie Brewer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me your full name, sir.
Cooper Bessie Brewer.
Thank you, sir. This is a simple assault and a disorderly conduct. They're both misdemeanors. It's out of the Peoria court system. I'm not allowed to appoint an attorney in Peoria. That's up to them. You're going to meet that judge on the 20th of March, downtown Peoria. Sir, you're being released on your own recognizance. I wish you the very best.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Did we ever find Mr. Reyes? Not yet? Well, we'll just come back to Mr. Reyes.
Sorry.
No, do not. If that's the biggest problem we've got, we will find him. Nicholas Campbell. Mr. Campbell, come on. Mr. Campbell, I've already done you. Thank you. Miss Myers, come on up. And Miss Gifford is after Miss Myers. Miss Myers?
She's sleeping out there.
Well, I wouldn't mind a nap myself. I can't say I blame her for that. Good morning, Miss Myers. Tell me your full name, please.
Alicia Myers.
Miss Myers, this is a probation violation warrant for your arrest. I've appointed you an attorney, miss. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 10th, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out in about 6 hours. When you step outside this building, contact your probation officer. Follow their rules, follow my rules. You're given the next judge you meet on the 10th 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 10th. Good luck, miss.
Thank you.
Miss Gifford? Miss Gifford, come on up. Miss Gifford, tell me your full name.
Alina Marie Gifford.
Miss Gifford, you got 2 different matters. The first one's a local matter. It's an extreme DUI, justice court warrant for your arrest. I cannot appoint you an attorney on a misdemeanor. You're going to meet the judge who can on the 5th day of March. That judge wants $680, and it's also noted as a failure to pay. I'm hoping that the $680 will pay and take care of this for you. The next matter, miss, is actually out of another state. Another state wants you. We found you. That makes you what we call a fugitive of justice. The officers gave you a big piece of paper laminated. Did you get a chance to read over that? Is that no?
No.
Okay. When another state issues a warrant for your arrest and Arizona finds you, and you have nothing in Arizona other than that traffic issue, DUI issue, that triggers what's called extradition. Extradition is a process whereby the 2 governors have to talk, sign a lot of paperwork, and then you are extradited back to that other state if both governors agree. That process can take up to 90 days. Normally, you're entitled to bond. However, in Texas, they want you held non-bondable because this is a parole violation. We have the same law in Arizona, so you would be held non-bondable for that entire 90 days should you wish your extradition rights. If you wish to waive your extradition rights, you stay locked up, but only up to 30 days because Texas has to come get you within 30 days. Since Texas is a close neighbor of ours, they're usually pretty quick, within 1 to 2 weeks. My experience, I can't guarantee that. But if it does take more than 30 days, on the 30th day, we kick you out of here. But that doesn't solve that national warrant for your arrest, and you could be rearrested somewhere, anywhere, and the whole process starts over. Do you want to waive and get back to Texas within 30 days, or do you want extradition? Your choice, ladies.
The first choice.
To waive?
To waive the 30 days, right?
Well, you don't waive the 30 days,
Right.
but you will be locked up for up to 30 days.
Right.
That's what you want. I have to ask you a couple questions, miss. I did explain extradition to you. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Miss, do you understand you do not have to sign the waiver paperwork?
I do.
Miss, do you understand you have a right to have an extradition hearing? That'd be in about 10 days, and by waiving, you would not get that right.
It's,
Pardon me?
I understand. Yes.
You understand you have a right to hire your own attorney. I cannot appoint you one because extradition is a civil matter, but you have a right to hire your own. Is that yes?
Yeah.
You have a right to demand that both states issue the governor's warrant for your extradition. You have that right.
I understand.
And you'd be giving that up by waiving. Do you understand?
I understand.
Thank you. Do you understand that normally you have the right to bail? However, this is a parole violation matter in Texas, and the state and Arizona has the same policy, so you would not be eligible for bail. Say yes?
I understand.
Do you want to give up those rights and sign the waiver paperwork?
Yeah.
Say yes?
Yes.
Yes and yes, I understand it, but when I try to transcribe them, I can't. So that's the problem. I wasn't trying to be rude. Has anybody used any threats, made any promises to get you to sign the waiver paperwork?
No.
Have you had any drugs, alcohol, or medication in the last 24 hours?
No.
Are you thinking clearly?
Yes.
Miss, I'm going to make a finding that you're making a knowing, intelligent, voluntary waiver. I'm going to process the paperwork here real quick for these two wonderful people next to me. And then the officer and the young lady to my left are going to ask you to step up and then sign the waiver paperwork. Okay. We good? Okay.
My name's spelled wrong on this.
Pardon me? Well, that's the official record that we have. You can take that up with the judge in Texas, but that's what Texas sent us.
Really?
Yep. So, the rest of them, why we're doing this waiver, we have multiple disciplinary issues or behavioral issues, and so I'm going to go through them. I'm going to make those in the house calls. Officers, can she come up now? Number 6 is Stephen Thomas. He's resisting arrest, a Class 6 felony, reckless burdening, a misdemeanor, disorderly conduct, 2 counts, misdemeanor, criminal damage, a misdemeanor, threatening and intimidating, a misdemeanor, as well as preventing emergency communications, telephone communications, another misdemeanor. I've appointed him an attorney. His next hearing is on the 7th, downtown Phoenix. Because this allegedly happened while he was on felony release on another matter, he must be held non-bondable till the 7th. Mary Perkins is number 6 and she is number 14. Burglary in the 2nd degree, a Class 3 felony, drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I've appointed her an attorney. The 18th and the 20th are 2 hearing dates. She's being released on her own recognizance. The one that Ms. Gaunt appeared on, number 17, also has a page 2, number 26. That's Mr. Colby. Mr. Colby is an abuse matter, a Class 5 felony, and indecent exposure, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I've appointed him an attorney. Next hearing date, the 10th, as well as the 12th. A bond amount is $15,000 plus pretrial services if he makes bond. And I also sealed the Form 4. Number 26 is also Mr. Colby's case, probation violation. Same attorney, different date, the 10th, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $50 with instructions to contact probation. Mr. Fallon, do I need to? Thank you. Mr. Fallon Scanelli has 3 different matters. Miss, I apologize. The first matter is drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, narcotic drugs and dangerous drugs. Those are both Class 4 felonies. I've appointed her an attorney. Next year, and those are those are the charges. Her next hearing date is the 10th of March, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $750. The next one is a probation violation. Same attorney, different date. The 10th, still downtown Phoenix. Bond is $50. The last one that she has is criminal damage as a misdemeanor, disorderly conduct misdemeanor, and assault as misdemeanor, all out of the Peoria court system. I cannot appoint an attorney in Peoria. That's up to the Peoria judge. Peoria judge wants a $750 bond. She will meet that judge on the 6th of March. That concludes the calendar with the exception of, did we ever find that one guy? Reyes?
That's the one, Ralph Reyes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's one I couldn't find. Let me go find out real quick.
All right.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. No, we'll just sit here and wait for you. Ouch. Boss. How much time does Mr. Reyes have left? Because we may have to push him to the 11 o'clock calendar.
He has 13 hours.
Okay, so if we have to push him, we have to push him. I'm hoping we can find him.
Yeah, he has until 9 p.m.
Okay, that's...
I apologize, Your Honor, he is a house call, he's in holding cell 5.
All right.
He was combative out there before he in the courtroom.
All right, let me switch out of this warrant, and I will read that onto the record, and we'll do Mr. Reyes as a house call. Ralph Reyes, number 30, is the house call for the reasons stated on the record by the officer. The court wants to thank the officer. This gentleman was charged with criminal trespassing of a public service facility. That's a Class 5 felony. I've appointed him an attorney. His next hearing date is the 18th. He'll be released to pretrial services. Do not return to the scene of the alleged crime, which was a police station that he jumped the wall. Interesting. All right. Let me just